Hello students. Hope you are able to understand the concept of algebraic identities. Now we are moving to the next part of algebraic identities, that is your squaring a binomial expression. From here we are going to discuss about formulas in algebra. How to do the factorization, we have formula. How to do the solve of squaring of a number, we have formula. We apply the formula and get the result. Yesterday I gave you some tasks in last video. So again today I also have some tasks, but you are able to solve that task only when you are able to see the complete video. Also, gradually I am going to increase the toughness of the task so that you can easily pay attention, then can solve easily that task, and in that task included in the video must be from the video, not from outside. Okay, let's start. We are going to solve squaring a binomial. What is squaring a binomial? Suppose we have a binomial a plus b, and we are going to square this binomial. So we use bracket. So what does means a plus b whole square? Okay. Now this, in this case, a plus b whole square means what? It's a plus b into a plus b. Clear? So when we multiply, as we know that a into a plus b into a plus b, it's a square plus ab plus ab plus b square, or we can write down here a square plus ab plus ab, 2ab plus b square, and this is equals to a plus b whole square. So this is your one of the very first formula of squaring of algebra, this one. Clear? Now if we shift this 2ab to this side, then what happen? It's a plus b whole square plus 2ab is here, so we shift to minus 2ab, and this is equals to what left? A square and b square. So from this we can find this one. This is another type of formula, means what? A square is sum of 2 square is equals to this one. This is another formula. This is your another formula, but this formula derived from this one. This formula is derived from this one, no? So this is your primary and this is your secondary. Now this is the first part, but what happens if there is a minus sign in between these two? Let's check. I'm going to rub this all. If there is a minus sign in between these two, then what will happen? In that case, again a into a minus b is there, so minus b into a minus b, but we have to be very careful about sign. A square minus ab minus into plus, minus plus b square. So what we have? We have a square minus 2ab plus b square. Always remember one thing, that if there is a square term, so that square term never have negative sign. Why this thing? Because minus b into minus b always gives you the positive result. A into plus a always give you positive result. So whenever we multiply two terms to find out the square, then only we have a square. Otherwise, if in question a negative sign is given, that is a different thing. But if we are breaking this one, then always we have positive sign. If only. Clear? So this is your formula, a minus b whole square. Clear? And similarly, the previous one, if we shift minus 2ab to this side, what happened? A minus b whole square plus 2ab equals to a square plus b square. There are various tricks to memorize these formulas. What we are going to discuss in this video, or what we are discussing in this video. So I am not going to pressurize you to learn any particular method for memorizing. If you are able to clear the concept, understand the concept, then you can develop your own trick, your own method to memorizing, and then you can use your own one. I am not going to pressurize anyone. I am here to only explain the concept. Once you are able to understand the concept, everything is easier for you. So this is other thing. This is for negative one. So hope you will be understand. This is your this one, and from this we have this one. One thing is clear. Now, as we learn only these two terms, from these two squares we find out various forms of square. For example, I am going to discuss a conversion of sum of two binomial into difference of two binomial, means from a plus b to a minus b. How we convert that one? So if you observe the last two observed formulas, these two, for a square plus b square is, as we discussed, this one is equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab, that is the in case of sum of square. And again, if I said to you a plus b square, so in this case what we have a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Clear? So this is the part of these two we found out. Then how we solve? Let's start. So question asked to you, you have to convert both are equals to each other, means this part equals to a square plus b square, and this a square plus b square equals to this one. So from this we can write down therefore a plus b whole square minus 2ab equals to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Now we bring this to this side, that to this side, or we are going to express now a plus b whole square equals to shift all things that side, a minus b whole square minus 2ab plus 2ab. If minus 2ab goes to that side, it's a plus 2ab, so plus 2ab plus 2ab, it's a plus 4ab. This is 1. If we shift, so a minus b whole square equals to a plus b whole square. Now plus 4ab comes to this side, it's a minus 4ab. Now these are two other formulas. This one and this one. Clear? So there are various formula, but all are come from that very first concept, a multiplication of two binomials, a plus b whole square equals to a plus b into a plus b, that we discussed just few minutes before. So this is the concept of formulas. Now I am going to discuss some basic ideas. Always remember that if we are discussing about two polynomials of a square, then in squaring of two polynomials there are three terms. 3 terms means what? As we know from the formula that it's a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So while squaring two binomials, two variables, we have 3 terms. Out of these 3 terms, one is product and other are square of the individual numbers, individual variables. This is the one thing. Then next one, application, where we whether we are going to, whether we can apply this to other type of questions. Yes, we can apply other part of questions. For that we have to solve some, practice some questions. So let's start today's work. Yes, now our next question is expand the given number. It may be expand the following, maybe your expand by using identities, find the values. So I'm going to start some very first question. Then only I move to the next part. In very first question, first I'm going to discuss only one part, that is your this question. It is your 3x plus 5y square. So we have to expand this one. How we expand? So we must write down by using identities. In this case, I want to discuss one thing to you. In formula, all of you are habitual of learn the formulas likewise. Come to this side. Likewise, like it's a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So need not to learn likewise. In your mind, in case of binomial product, binomial identities, use in place of these a, b of variable, use first term and second term. Then only you are able to solve all things. So here you can write down first plus second term square. My writing is not good in this side. First plus second. So what we have? We have first term square, square of first term plus then second square of second term plus 2 into first term into second term. If you are able to understand this concept, then need not to learn all the formulas. Simply place the terms, place the numbers, whether it's a plus sign or minus sign, which sign, place them and you have the answer. Suppose I am placing over here our value is x minus 5 square. Clear? So if my value is x minus 5 square, so what is the first term? First term is your x, so we can write down first term square plus what is the second term? Second term is minus 5. So here we can write down minus 5 square. What is the third? What is the next part? Plus 2. 2. Okay, I went to plus 2 into what is the first term? X. What is the second term? It's a minus 5 because here we have plus sign. Na? Here we have plus sign. So we must have plus sign form. Clear? So what ultimately what we have? Minus 5 into minus 5, it's a 25. Minus 5 plus 2 minus 10 plus minus 10x. Likewise. So you must remember the formula likewise. Means first term or second term. If you learn likewise, then you are able. I told you that I am not going to pressurize you, but it's my suggestion. If you learn likewise, you can learn little bit. First, it will be tougher, but you can memorize all the things very easily. Okay, now solve this one. By using identities, I am using the same one. A plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. What I told you, that first term plus second term square equals to first term square plus second term square plus 2 into first term into second term. So let's start. Therefore 3x square first term square plus second term square plus 2 into first term. What is the first term? 3x plus 3x, sorry. What is the second term? Plus 5y. When we multiply, it's a 9x square plus 25y square. 5 5s are 25, y is a y square. Similarly, 3 3 is a 9 and x is a x square. Plus, first we multiply the numbers, 9 is going on. 2 3 is 6, 5 is 30, x into y, it's a xy. So likewise you can solve, and always try to remember this one. Now if there is a minus sign in between them, then how we solve? Next question. Now see, it's a 6a minus 11 square. So how we solve? 6a first term square plus second term square, it's 11b square plus okay, this you can use the learned identities. I'm not going to force you that you have to solve this one, but you can solve by using identities. What is the identity? A minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Whether you can write down plus b square here or here at place, that doesn't matter. So what we can write down? First term square 6a square minus 2 into, what is the first term? 6a. What is the second term? It's, but in this case we already placed minus sign over here, so need not to use minus sign, use 11b plus 11b whole square. It's a 36a square minus, now 11 6 is 66, 2 is 132 ab, clear? Then plus 121b square. So likewise you can solve rest of the question. I am choosing one question of squares of square. Hope this thing is clear to you. And this is today's last question. I am choosing a little bit toughest one. 5a square minus 7b square whole square. My ink is going at the end, so I'm using, so by using identities, a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Clear? So by using this identities, what we can write down? We can write down 5a square whole square plus 7b square whole square minus 2 into 5a square into 7b square. 25. 5 5 is 25. A square into a square, it's a to the power 4. Always remember 49 b to the power 4 minus 70 a square b square. So hope you are able to understand. Now today's work, you have to complete exercise 13b up to Question number 3. 1, 2, 3. Solve up to this question. Tomorrow we'll discuss. In next video, discuss some more new type of questions. Now, regarding your today's task, you must write down the very second formula. Okay, you're difficult to write down in your comment part. So write down the, not today, I'm going to say tell you about your name. Write down this number in your video along with your name, 7 along with your name. Clear? That's all for today. Thank you.